like we have a chance of severe thunderstorms today. In farm news today, profit margins for producers continue to be squeezed as fuel prices reached record highs yesterday.
Challenging times require innovative solutions. And that's just what you'll find on the new John Deere 8030 series tractors. Innovations like the new PowerTech Plus 9-liter engine, a new infinitely variable transmission, new Green Star displays, front independent link suspension, and newly refined 16-speed power shift, and the exclusive John Deere Active Seat. Here's exclusive John Deere technology that enhances operator comfort, boosts productivity, and raises efficiency to all new levels. Choose from 8 new models, from 180 to 275 PTO horsepower, available on wheels or tracks. The new 8030 series gives you power without compromise. Each model is powered by the fuel-saving PowerTech Plus 9-liter engine. It meets new Tier 3 emission standards. Plus, it's 2 to 5% more fuel efficient than its 8020 predecessors. Part of this new efficiency gain comes from the new patented VeriCool cooling system. Its variable speed fan runs only at the necessary speed to meet the cooling requirements of the tractor for greater efficiency and power. Plus, the new hood design directs heat up and away from the tractor and cab, enhancing cooling and air conditioning performance while minimizing crop and dust kick-up. You'll also get up to 43% PTO torque rise and up to 13% PTO power bulge, all the power you need for the most demanding jobs. An all-new ultra-efficient, infinitely variable transmission makes it easy to choose the right speed for most any application. And in the transport mode, the IVT lets you transport up to 26 miles per hour with lower RPMs for even greater fuel savings. And talk about versatility. The new 8030 series has the power, hydraulic capacity, transmission, and axle choices to help you tackle most any job on your farm. And when it comes to towing, the new 8030 series lets you haul grain carts or pull large slurry tanks quickly and efficiently at speeds up to 26 miles per hour. Heavy lifting? It's no problem thanks to the new Category 4N3 rear hitch. The performance and efficiency of the hydraulic system also has been improved. Oil flow to implements and steering response is noticeably better while operating at low engine RPMs. Choose two-wheel drive, mechanical front-wheel drive, MFWD with independent link suspension, or tracks. Exclusive independent link suspension provides you with 10 inches of total suspension travel, an industry best. You get a super smooth ride and more power to the ground. A new cab provides superb levels of operator comfort and control. Add the exclusive John Deere Active Seat for the smoothest ride of any tractor seat on the market. The updated Command Center provides plenty of useful tractor information. Plus, easy-to-use fingertip controls give you total tractor control of engine, transmission, hydraulics, and rear hitch. But that's not all. Check out the new configurable Green Star 2-color display. Use it as a performance monitor, or use it to take command of Green Star guidance products like parallel tracking or auto-track steering. Now you have seen what the new 8030 series has to offer. Power, performance, and versatility like no other. Best of all, these great new tractors are backed by a world-class dealer organization that provides first-rate sales, service, and support. Our team of dedicated professionals keeps your equipment running in top condition and can help you find the right farming solutions for your operation.
Good news for farmers today. Grain prices rally on the news.
See your John Deere dealer.